In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to color grade your video sources in OBS Studio. So all you have to need, come to this source box and select the source you want to color grade, and then click on filters. Under effect filters, click on this plus icon, select color correction, and here I'm typing custom LUT and clicking on OK. And here we can see the color correction, all options showing. So go ahead and increase all of these options one by one to make your source perfect. Just like this, I'm increasing gamma, contrast and brightness, saturation, hue shift, opacity. And if you want, you can apply color. Just click on select color, and you can just select a color from here, click on OK to add the color, just like this. Once you're happy, just click on close, and that's how you can actually make color correction in our OBS Studio.